Hello all. If you've seen this channel before, you may have seen that back in the day I made a leaf spring bow. I have an old leaf spring off an old Holden. See, the problem with it was, after I'd finished, it was quite sluggish. It had a lot of power. I think we rated it over about 100 pounds, but it was too sluggish, too slow, too heavy to maneuver. Then after that, I had two beautiful young boys and another one on the way, little girl. So my free time became absolutely zero. I've been meaning to work on it for a long time, and recently I finally got to have some time off. So I spent a good few hours just reshaping, rehoning, taking off a lot of the stock, gave it a little spine all the way up, and basically just made it a lot more lightweight and springy. So this is how the new bow goes. Let's play. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see what else we can make.